శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Welcome to MVR College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, one of the suggestion from me as a faculty, HOD from Department of Computer Science Engineering, not only CSE, all the department students. Okay, make videos of duration at least 5 minutes. ఓకే వాట్ వీడియోస్ వీ విల్ మేక్, ఏ వీడియోస్ తయారు చేయాలి, ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ అయినా తయారు చేయొచ్చు. మీకు నచ్చిన సి ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అయితే సి ప్రోగ్రామింగ్, మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లేదన్న ఒక డెఫినేషన్ తీసుకుంటే ఒక డెఫినేషన్, నాట్ మోర్ దాన్ 30 minutes 40 minutes లైక్ ఏ లెక్చరర్, జస్ట్ 5 minutes వీడియో ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ విష్. ఓకే, మేక్ ఏ వీడియో ఆఫ్ 5 minutes. మీరు కనుక 5 minutes వీడియో తయారు చేయలేకపోతున్నాను అంటే కనుక 3 reasons ఉంటాయి. ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ రీజన్ ఏంటంటే మీరు చాలా బిజీగా ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, చాలా బిజీ, మీకు వీడియోస్ చేసే టైం కూడా లేదు. ఓకే, పద్దాక ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు 24 hours ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ వింటూ ఉన్నారు, ఇంకో వర్క్ చూస్తూ ఉన్నారు, ఇంకోటి చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, చాలా బిజీ. ఎంత బిజీగా ఉన్నా సరే రేపు ఇంటర్వ్యూకి మీరు కనుక ఇప్పటి నుంచి కనుక ఇది అలవాటు చేసుకుంటే, ఓకే, చిన్న వీడియోస్ చేసి యూట్యూబ్లో మీ ఛానల్లో పోస్ట్ చేయడం అలవాటు చేస్తే కనుక రేపు మీరు కనుక ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్తే కనుక మీకంటే ముందు మీరు చేసిన వీడియోసే ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడతాయి. ఓకే, they will recognize he is a person so and so doing this work, like that they will recognize these videos. Okay, first, okay, your identity will be increased whenever if you will go outside means others will see means they will easily identify you. Just your recognition will be more if you prepare. This is not a part of your job, this is a part of your life. Okay, making this one as part of your life. Second one, ఓకే, నాకు చేయాలని ఉంది, వీడియో చేయాలనే ఉంది. ఓకే, నాకు దగ్గర టాపిక్ ఉంది, మంచి కాంటెంట్ ఉంది, కానీ నేను చేయటానికి రీసోర్సెస్ లేవు. ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ టు ప్రిపేర్. సెకండ్ రీజన్, నాకు ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలో తెలియదు. పుట్టిన ప్రతి బేబీకి ఫస్ట్లోనే వీడియో ఎలా తయారు చేయాలనే రాదు. జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ లెర్నబుల్ స్కిల్. జస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ లెర్న్ 2 or 3 days, యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ know what softwares you are using. In YouTube also how to make videos means number of channels is there. Okay, just it is a learnable skill. If you learn 2 or 3 days means okay, you will acquire this skill. Okay, how to prepare videos. Next, third one, videos చేయలేకపోవటానికి కారణం ఏంటంటే, నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ రీజన్ బద్ధకం. నాకెందుకులే, ఏదో ఒకటి చూద్దాం, ఈరోజు గడిస్తే చాలు, జస్ట్ లేజినెస్. ఓకే, if you overcome these 3 problems, you can easily make videos. Okay, if you prepare videos of a 5 minutes duration or any topic, if you forward those videos to your HOD means we will arrange that video can be played during the lectures at the time of online classes. Okay, I am expecting at least some of you may prepare videos concern your subjects or anything, any others or any innovative things, and send to your HOD. Not only HOD, in post in your YouTube channel, give that link to HOD. HOD will take live stream to all other students of our college or your branch basing on the type of your video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ త్వరలో అటానమస్ కాబోతోంది.
2014లో ISO గుర్తింపు, 2015లో రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వంచే A గ్రేడ్, 2016లో NAC A గ్రేడ్, ఇప్పుడు NBA సాధించిన సంస్థ శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Good morning, student. So this is the second unit I was started. Don't write anything on the screen. It was recorded video. So I was started the second unit. The introduction to VHDL, very important unit. This unit is related to lab, Jalen's lab, Deca lab. One of the best tool is the and front end part is the Jalen's. So I will explain clearly. Please listen. So first topic is the design First topic is the design flow. Very, very important topic. Definitely, one question will be that question will be available on question paper. So this design flow. So this is the black diagram for the design flow. This is the design flow. Please observe carefully. Design flow means we are writing the coding. So that is the very, very important. This is the lab tool. You have to visible my screen. So this is the lab related to lab. We are using J-Linx software. XILINX. I was already told you. So you have to refer www.jlin.com. What are the FPGAs are available in nowadays? The latest FPGA kit is Kintex 7, very, very important. In our lab, Spartan 3E kit is there. Spartan 3E kit is available. Once open the college, I will explain the kit and how to dump the code in kit. So it is very, very important. Design flow. We are writing the AND gate program. So first we are open the tool. So whatever the inputs and outputs are there, we have to observe the circuit diagram. So those are the very, very important inputs and outputs. In program structure, I was already discussed. There are two types available. First is the entity part. Second one is the architecture part. We are designing the AND gate programming. So writing the AND gate programming means first I was open the file, new project. So we are writing AND1. So the location, whatever the program software is there, that files will be saved. In case you want to create one new file in desktop, save that files also on that folder. So this is the you have location and directory. So this is the top level source only. So different files are there: HDL, schematic, EDIF, and NCG, NGO. We are writing only HDL program. So next, so those are the Spartan 3E kit specification. Those are the very, very important. So Spartan 3E kit specification, you have observed. This is the Spartan 3E family. Different types of families are available. So those are the families: Spartan 3E, Spartan 6, Vertex boards, Kintex boards. Those are the FPGA kits. We are choosing only Spartan 3E because the kit is available on lab. So those are the specification for the Spartan 3E devices. So different devices are there. So we are choosing XC3S500E. So package is FG320. That kit speed was -5. Those are the tools. In lab, this is the model sim PE simulator tool. We are writing VHDL code. So we are choosing ISC VHDL or Verilog. We are choosing this one. So because we are writing the VHDL code, that means very, very important. Verilog is the completely different. So we are writing the VHDL. We are also prepared in VHDL language. So we are preferred language is VHDL. After that, we are pressing next. So you have to observe project name is the AND gate. We are saving this path and the directory path also there. Top level source is HDL. Those are the FPGA kit family devices. Family name is the Spartan 3E. Device is XC3S500E. FPGA320 speed. Top level source is the HDL. Synthesis tool is the VHDL and Verilog. So after that we are finishing. So you have observed clearly what are the inputs are there in AND gate. Only 2 input, 1 output. We are writing inputs and output. We are assigning. So next we are adding new source. So we are writing VHDL module. So that's why we are choosing VHDL module. Again, we are writing the file name is AND gate 1. We are writing. After that, we are pressing next. In case we are writing the Verilog module means we have to choose Verilog module. In case we are writing VHDL module means we are choosing the VHDL module. So this is the next one. We are assigning the AND gate. We have 2 inputs. We are assigning here A comma B. We are assigning inputs. We have observed here in means input, out means output, in out. That means every output again we are connected to input like flip-flops. Output again come to input. That's the condition we are choosing in out. So again, we are choosing AND gate output is Y. We are putting Y. So we are choosing the out also here. So we have observe A comma B are the in, Y is the output. So next we are observe clearly. So already I was discussed library IEEE use IEEE STD logic 1164. Exam point of view, you are written those steps. In lab point of view, J-Lins will generate those steps. This is the entity part we have to observe. In entity part, this is the entity part. This is the architecture part. So in entity part, already system will be generated. But in exam point of view, we have to write the entity part. So entity name is the AND gate. This is the syntax for the program structure. So entity name is the AND gate. Whatever the code you have to write, you have to mention that gate name only. There is no problem. So entity name is again ports. Whatever the inputs are there, whatever the outputs are there, the circuit diagram, we have to mention the port. Those A comma B are the signals for the AND gate. So we are mentioning A comma B are the input. Y is the out STD logic. So end entity name, whatever the entity name you was written in entity part, close that entity part also end entity name. Again, this is the architecture part. It is also very, very important. Architecture name is, you have to design architecture and data flow, behavioral, structural, whatever it may be. That is your wish. There is no problem. So architecture name of entity name is, this is the syntax, very, very important. So architecture name of entity name is again begin. So we all you know the AND gate output equation. So we have to written the AND gate output equation. Si y greater than or equal to y greater than or equal to A and B column. So directly we are assign the output equation. So we have to save the program. So we are checking the, we have observe. This is the program status too. Yeah, we have to observe. We are clicking the synthesize XCT. Here plus mark is there. We are click on plus mark. We have to observe view RTL schematic, view technology schematic, view syntax. So we are written the code. So we have to check your syntax will be correct or not. We have to check. It will take some time. So we have observed. So here X mark indicate, that means that the errors will be occurred. We have to click on this error line. We have to observe. This is the error Y SI. So we have to observe phase error, unexpected identifier, expecting. So this is the error. So we have to solve this error. Again, we are changing the program. So again, we are saving. Again, we are checking the syntax. We have to observe. So whatever the error will be occurred, we have to continuously check that error and remodify. So the syntax will be correct. We have to observe clearly. Syntax will be correct. That means we have to start the process. So you are written the AND gate program. This is the AND gate program or not. We are checking the another way. We are clicking the view RTL schematic. You have to observe clearly. It will generate the AND gate circuit diagram. we are writing the data flow. This is the data flow model. So only you know the input and output relation. So that's why we are mentioning the input and the output equation directly to the data flow. This is the AND gate. So we are writing AND gate coding, and also we are generating the AND gate circuit diagram. This is the AND gate circuit diagram. So A and B are the inputs, Y is the outputs. So this is the AND gate program. In AND gate, what are the circuit diagram will be there? We have to observe clearly. We have to observe technology schematic also. So this is the functional block diagram of the AND gate. We have observed clearly. LUT means lookup table, one buffer is there. This is the complete internal structure of AND gate. This is the complete internal structure of AND gate. We have observed three. So two inputs are there. A is the input again. So A and B are the inputs. Y is the output. This is the lookup table. That means whatever the input you have to apply based on this lookup table, you will get the output. This is the internal structure of AND gate. This is the general block diagram of AND gate. So we have to design the, we have to return the AND gate program. You have to automatically generate the AND gate circuit diagram. We have to return full adder, half adder, encoder, decoder, mux, demux, whatever the coding we have to return in tool. Definitely you will get the circuit diagram. So this is the very important. So first we have to, again I will tell you one more. First design entity we have to observe. This is the first design steps in the VHDL. First you know the block diagram. This is the front end part. You know the block diagram. Based on that block diagram, we are written the coding. After that we are written the coding means after that we are checking the syntax. That the coding will be correct or not. We have to check that syntax. In case any errors will be occurred, again we have to remodify the code. Again we are checking. In case that syntax will be correct, again we are applying to simulation part. This is the implement and design. This is the very important. Implement design means we have to observe. We are clicking the implementation design. So we have to FPGA kit. Based on that FPGA kit, those are the very. So that coding will be generated dumping to the FPGA kit. So translate, map, place and route also very important. So those will be there in simulation and verification and the synthesis part. After the place and routes also will be available in the implementation design. So after that timing verification, finally we have to generate the waveforms for the AND gate. So we have to observe clearly. So translation and map will be correct. Translate will be correct. Map also will be almost we are getting the tick mark. Sometimes we are not getting the tick mark also because there is no FPGA kit. That's why we are indicating this yellow color symbol. So in FPGA kit will be there. Definitely it will get the tick mark also. Place and route also will be correct. So next we are applying the simulation here. So this is the AND gate behavioral model. This is the ISC simulator. First we are checking the behavioral syntax first. Next we are applying the simulate behavioral model. Finally we are getting the output result. So this is the 14.1. In lab point of view, we are using only 8.1 software. So that is very easy to understand a student point of view. This is the front end part. Any coding point will be developed only in the circuit, in this tool only. You have to learn this tool very, very clearly. Definitely, you will get the good job in a VLSI company point of view, front end point of view. So we are indicating some output signal because we are not assigning the input values. We are not assigning any values. That means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 condition. We are not assigning any input values. So that's why we are not getting any outputs. So as again, we are applying the whatever the inputs we have to apply A comma B, we are getting the output again. For example, I am applying the input values. So we have to, I have to apply force clock value. We have to applying the value will be the signal value will be 1. I am applying the 1 value. So again, we have to observe. How to observe input output. So this is the very, very important. So we are now in. Hello. So this is the very, very important. So this is the design flow. You have to observe clearly. Whatever the tool we have to open, based on tool, we have to return the design tool. This is the design flow graph. So you have to observe first you have a circuit diagram. Based on the circuit diagram, you have to return the code. After that, you have to return the code. You have to check the code will be correct or not. In case any errors will be occur, again return to the coding part. Again we are rewrite the code, and again we are checking. After that, we are simulation and verification. In implementation part, those synthesis, place and route will be available. Timing verification, and finally we are getting the result. So those are also very, very important. So again, very, very important topic will be the program structure. Just now I have discussed entity architecture. You have to observe clearly. So this is the program part. This is the entity part. This is the architecture part. So in exam point of view, entity name, we have observed the syntax also. So this is the entity. This is the entity name, ports, whatever the inputs and output is there, we have to mention in the signal parts and the signal names. Those are the inputs and outputs and entity name. In the same manner, we have to written here. This is the entity name will be the AND gate. So ports A or B are the inputs, we are assigning the in. Y is the output, we are assigning the out. So entity name. So this is the entity syntax. Again, architecture syntax also is there. So you have observed clearly. This is the architecture. Architecture name of entity name. Again begin. So again in the architecture. So you have observed clearly. So this is the architecture. Architecture name of entity name is again begin, again end architecture. So we are assigning the data flow equation. That's why we are written here. So those are the signal type declaration, signal declaration, constant declaration, function declaration, residue declaration, component declaration.